My cub cadet is... Wait, where's Brody? I better call him. Brody, where are you?
Hello. Driving down to the sushi store.
What? You don't even like sushi?
I want to try it.
We have a video to film. We gotta fix my cub cadet grill.
Okay, fine. But I'll turn around.
Okay, sounds good. See you in 5.
Time to film another video.
Still waiting on Birdie. Oh, hey, bud.
Hi.
Were you really trying to go get sushi?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, we gotta fix the cub cadet grill today.
Okay.
Okay, so the grill of this tractor got caved in somehow. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe a foot went right through there. I'm not sure. But anyway, so we're missing a headlight anyway. So I'm gonna take that metal piece, and Brody's gonna take a hammer and flatten it. And then I'm gonna take the headlights out of this Yamaha plastic that we are planning to get rid of and put them in that. Let's get to work. Let's get this flattened out. Alright, I got the 2 headlights out. I'm gonna take some wipes and wipe them off. Alright, I got them in there. I got the grill up in there and everything. Just gotta wire the headlights. I'm not gonna do that now because I'm not good at wiring. But in a later episode, we'll wire them.